Connectivity, technology, and communication are essential to enhancing our lives. Our customers' biggest challenge is to keep up with the demand for speedier data connectivity, higher resolution, quicker video streaming, and ample multimedia applications. Whether a student is attending an online class, a healthcare provider is gaining rapid access to information for a patient diagnosis, or a daughter is using her mobile phone to share exciting news with her mother, the need for extensive, faster, and robust networks is essential. We take our role seriously as a supplier of critical equipment that helps our customers meet the demands for faster and better connections. Amphenol Network Solutions leads the industry with a wide range of high-quality products for network connectivity, including fiber distribution, racks, passives, power distribution, and enclosures. Originally known as Telect Incorporated, in July of 2017, we were acquired by Amphenol Corporation, a $10 billion company and one of the world's largest providers of high-technology interconnect, sensor, and antenna solutions. Now known as Amphenol Network Solutions, our company has been operating as a leader in physical layer network infrastructure solutions for data centers, telecommunications, and broadband environments for over 39 years. We continue to operate in the entrepreneurial way our customers love. And in addition, we also leverage Amphenol's worldwide global presence to support our customers. A key foundation for our business includes the construction of our manufacturing and assembly plant in Guadalajara, Mexico in 1997, during the earlier years of Telect's success. Since that time, we have continued to heavily invest in this key location, from building expansions to the growing number of employees that serve our global customers. Telect initially selected this location with focus on creating the highest quality products, which continues to exceed those expectations today. Guadalajara is well known for tequila and mariachi bands, but it is also the biggest technology hub in Mexico, including a strong talent pool of engineers and other expertise that can benefit any business. The geographic position of Guadalajara is also ideal to meet our standards for supply chain excellence. Our customers count on us for reliable, high-quality solutions to power, protect, and monitor today's network servers and equipment. We offer a comprehensive selection of fuse and circuit breaker panels that also include an Energy Smart option for critical monitoring at the circuit level. Amphenol Network Solutions fiber equipment spans the requirements of the passive optical network with solutions ranging from 12 to 7,000 ports. This is also where you get the market's leading solutions for cable management and high-density fiber connectivity. Integrity is the core value of our business, and we adhere to the highest ethical standards in our relationships with our customers, suppliers, and partners. Our team provides rapid responses, product recommendations that meet your needs, and a mutual partnership that lasts for years to come.